Okay, to hand tie the bow, you'll start with your bow piece right here, and you're going to fold it in half with one end being slightly shorter than the other. You can see that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold your ends down to meet like that, creating two loops essentially. Velvet is a little sticky, so you can see I have my two loops. Then you're going to take your back loop and you're going to turn it, go cross it over top of your short loop, going through the hole that you make with your top. You're going to pull it through that hole, and you will come out like this. So this is kind of messy at first, especially since velvet's a little sticky and some of them aren't woven. You'll just pull both the bow and the tails until you get it even and tight, and you might have to do a little bit of adjusting. It takes some practice, but there you go, little hand-tied bow.